Hello guys, good evening to all. Hope all of you doing well. So this side Amit here. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, whose name is Free Advice by Amit. I decided to uh, open this channel or start this channel to share my knowledge, whatever I'm having with me, and to benefit you with the help of this. So on this intention, I'm going to start this YouTube channel. Hope you will like this. You all are requested to subscribe my channel on YouTube, and if you like my videos and my content, you can share with your loved ones. So basically, the channel name is Free Advice by Amit. So this is the very good and informative channel. It's going to be for you, and I hope you will gain a lot of knowledge, ideas, and information through this channel, and it is going to be very useful in your life, daily life, and I'm sure that you will gain much information, profit, and most important, right information and knowledge with you. I am going to impact somewhere in your life also with the help of my knowledge, and as I'm sure that you will enjoy the journey with me. So let's get started. So hope you all are wondering what I'm going to cover in my YouTube channel series. So basically, I have decided a few topics like health and fitness. So then food and dishes, and share market tips, education, career guidance. So likewise, so I will tell you that which are the topics I'm going to share with you. So basically, what we will be doing, we will be sharing the videos on various topic with you. So I want to tell you which are those topics going to be. So my first topic will be like health and fitness tips. So in which I will be sharing few health and fitness tips with you, like how to do yoga at home, and how to do gym practices at home, how to do gym exercises at home, which will impact in your physical fitness, and you will gain more humanity, and which is most required nowadays because of this COVID pandemic all over the world, and we are most affected by this in India also. So my intention to make you fit and more aware about the fitness and health. So on this topic we will be sharing some knowledge of me. So likewise, then we have food and dishes. So most of us are in lockdown now, and we are trying some new things at home. Some are preparing food, some are preparing new dishes at home and enjoying their life. So I thought I also have some talent with me to showcase those dishes with you. I also prepare some food with me at my home, and I feel it is very delicious and tasty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share the recipes and the ingredients, what and that all the dishes with you, how you can prepare it, how you can make it at your home, and how you'll gain the knowledge of making it. So I'm sure it will be also give you most information about the our kitchen, and then most of our dishes. So then we have share market tips. So basically I will be giving you tips on share market also, and you will realize what uh, profit you are going to earn through the share market, which is also effective, and those who have started already in share market trading, so they know their benefits and their uh, drawbacks also. So basically I will also give you good insights of share market and bad insights also. So we will have some separate videos on it. So right now I'm just sharing what are the topics which I'm going to share with you. Then we have education topic. Then we have career guidance, adventure and travel tips. I will be going to share with you. We will discuss about current affair topics which are not trending in news and which needs to be discussed very well in effective way. So whatever the knowledge and analysis I do, I will be sharing with you. Then I will be sharing you with you that money making tips, how you can make the money at home, and what are the new job markets available, what are the new jobs available in market, and how you can get those jobs, which is which will be my most uh, crucial point in those videos. So I want to just focus on how you can make uh, get the most knowledge out of it, and how you will get the most benefit from my channel. This is my main intention. So this is one of my topic or content, you can say, which I'm going to share with you. Then I will be sharing videos on technology also. So what are the latest technology which is going around in world, and what are the mobile technologies evolved, and emerging technologies, new technologies, and useful tips, like for example iPhone if you are using. So what are the hidden iPhone features if you don't yet know, then I will be telling you what are the different features of iPhone. Similarly, and then we use the Android phone also, so Android phone features will be also I'll be telling you. So likewise we have other topics in that umbrella of technology. So that all topics I will be sharing with you every week, or whenever I get time I will be sharing with you, and I'm sure you will get much more ideas, much more information, much more benefits through this. So to summarize, what are the topics I'm going to share with you? It's like health and fitness, then food and dishes, then share market tips, then education, career guidance, adventure and travel tips, then current affair, then money making tips and new jobs available in market, then technology, and much more. I'm sure you will like the journey with me, and you will gain much more knowledge with it through it. Okay, and so to start with some topic, I will I would prefer to start with the stock market or share market. So to give some tip on share market, as this is our introduction video and welcome video to you. So for now, I will give you one small tip on share market. So if you are planning to invest in share market, as you know, what are the benefits and drawback investing in share market. So basically, I just want to share one tip of share market. So whenever you are planning to invest in share market, so what are the steps involved in it, and how you can start trading in share market, I will be having separate video on it. But for as of now, I just want to share my one analysis. Like uh, you all know that lockdown happened on 22nd of March, right? Am I right? So on 22nd of March, when lockdown happened, that time all the shares of most of the uh, good companies and MNCs fell down immediately. Okay, after just that announcement of lockdown. So similar case happened with the most big and MNCs company. For example, can consider Reliance Industry. So that time Reliance Industry had 800 rupees share. 800 rupees only, means price of one share of Reliance Industry was only 800 rupees. Okay, and you don't believe, now the price of that 800 rupees share, it's now more than 1400 rupees. So you can imagine that how much profit that every investor have earned on each share of Reliance Industry. Basically, I just want to tell you when you can invest your money in share market and when you can withdraw the money from the share market. So only basic tip to invest money, right time to invest money and right time to get money from the invest market or withdraw your amount from the share market. So you have to make your portfolio first. Okay, this is the first requirement. Then uh, let's say consider you are new in the share market world. So what you can do, you can just analyze the top 5 companies. Okay, for me, how I started with the help of Reliance Industry because I found this is the one of the most biggest company in India and one of the most largest industry of India. So and I found that if I invest in uh, Reliance, I will never lose my money. That trust I had on Reliance, okay, and it was very good decision of my life. So I invested in that time only when the Reliance share was 800 rupees. So I just invested on for 8,000 rupees. Okay, now only after 1 month of time, 1.5 month of time, my amount just got doubled. Similar, one time that share price went to 1600 also. That time I felt like it will go more, so I was waiting, but unfortunately it could not. So now it price is 1400 40 rupees something. So I have earned around 6000 for something rupees, 400 rupees on that whole investment of 8000 rupees. So which is nearly around doubled of my investment, or you can say like I earn around near around uh, 90 percentage of profit on my investment, right? So which is you can which is more anywhere in investment will not earn that amount of interest or that amount of profit on any investment. So what I learned from this, if you invest on the right time, which will be the right time and for the which company. So I decided to invest in Reliance. So I decided I should invest in Reliance at the when that share market price of each share of that Reliance Industry fell down. So I decided to invest that time. Okay, so similarly you can also invest in other portfolios or in other companies when the share price of that big company fell down. So this is the opportunity for you, that when you invest on this duration in the share market and you trust on that company, not immediately but after 1 or 2 months you will see the result of it. Similarly you can invest in Tata also. So the point is, when you have to invest, you have to invest in the best company when the share price of that company fell down. Okay, this is the opportunity for you. And when you have to withdraw the money, when you realize that you have earned the enough profit, not going in much lalach you can say. So uh, you have to be make sure you have that enough profit, and when you see that share price is going continuously up of that share, you have to think and you have to withdraw that amount, because you never know that when that market will fall down and you will lose all your profit, and maybe unfortunately you may also lose your investment price also. So what are your invested? So best you have to analyze which is the uh, you have to invest when the share price is going down. You have to show the trust. You have to invest as much as possible you can. Then you have to withdraw that amount when you see that share prices are going up. So this is the basic funda to invest in share market and do trading. So this is one of my few analysis which I shared with you. Similarly, I will be sharing a lot of other stuff with you and other analysis and case studies of share market with you. So I hope this idea of that tip will help you. So nothing to worry. I will be with you, and you will gain more ideas and more suggestions on share market. As I earn around 6,400 rupees in just 1 month, it just like doubled amount of money. Similarly, you can also earn on the tip or the suggestion I just gave you. Okay. Then to summarize this whole video, before ending this video, I would like to actually present give my special thanks to all the COVID frontiers and doctors, polices, sub inspector, inspector, and all those who are working hard to keep us safe and working for us in this pandemic. So I really want to give them huge thank for through this video, and I we should also consider their work they are doing. We are at home safe just because of them, so we have to give our best to them. So through this my channel, I would like to give my special thanks to them, and they deserve the most. And I would like to conclude this video with this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Free Advice by Amit. You have to just praise the like thumb if you like that video, and just simple share it, then subscribe it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. As much as you subscribe my channel, I will be sharing much information and analysis with you, and I'm sure you will gain most of it. You will earn also with my tips. You will gain the knowledge, and you will share the knowledge also like me. So let's start. And for now we stop here, and you can comment on my YouTube channel on every video on which new topic you want a video, then which language also. I will be preparing videos in Hindi also. So Hindi, Marathi, I'm fine. So, and then if you like, if you want videos in Hindi, you can just comment on my video on this particular topic. You want a video in Hindi, I will come up with a Hindi video also, so you will get to know how I explain the things in Hindi also. So based on your feedback, I will be going further. So I hope you like my video, and I am somewhere to add some value in your life. So thank you all for listening me. Hope the things will go well in future. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Free Advice by Amit. Bye.